Got the Mustang, stock rims. Then I went to the OG Bullitt Mustang rims, look them up, and found these on Facebook for like $400. So basically $100 a tire, and they were rusted over in a junkyard, and had a nail in one of them right here, and painted it over, and this is how it went. Touch-ups tomorrow, but these look fucking good, man. And they'll be put on this weekend. Stay tuned. That thing nice, boy. Stinking. God damn, look at that sexy bitch. Stinking for real, man.